Hey guys, welcome to Humans of KU. My name is Jay Khatri and some of you may know me by the name Toaster Roaster. I study at United World School of Liberal Arts and Mass Communication here at Karnavati University. I am a YouTube live streamer. I stream every night on YouTube from 9 PM to 12:30 AM. Basically, I play games, interact with you people and entertain my audience on a daily basis. You may be wondering how exactly my live streams look like, but before that, I'd like to take a moment to appreciate and to thank USLM for letting me use this platform of Humans of KU and share my part of the story. So now, without further ado, let's hop into the live stream. Everyone has a story about how they started gaming and what is yours. So my story of gaming started in 6th standard when my cousin introduced me to Counter-Strike 1.6. So the game that I'm currently playing right now on your screen is Counter-Strike Global Offensive. So 1.6 I started, he introduced me to the world of gaming where you can kill people and still you won't hurt anyone in real life. So I was like, oh, that's nice, and you can kill terrorists, thoda sa desh bhakti, and that's how it started for me and I'm continuing it. How is gaming different than streaming and can you actually make a career out of it? Well, seriously, how lucrative it is. See, gaming and streaming are two different things, but yes, they do work hand in hand. So for example, अभी तुम लोगों ने देखा मेरे सामने बंदा आया. In gaming, you are completely focused on that guy. But in streaming, I was focused on the chat as I am focused in the game. मतलब equal focus देना पड़ता है दोनों जगह पे. Interaction होता है एक ही साथ में game performance होता है. I have to like entertain you guys, and at the same point, I need to be conscious about what I am speaking. So this is how streaming is a little more than just gaming. But yep, streaming includes the art of speaking. The art of speaking is a high income skill. So if you possess any of the high income skill, you are definitely going to make money out of it, man. Hey bro, how the hell did you enter into this world of getting yourself online by streaming? To be honest, मेरे लिए बहुत simple था कि हम लोग जब से online multiplayer games खेल रहे हैं हम सब दोस्त साथ में, तो we realized that we have the ability to make any game interesting. So we started streaming it online. अभी कभी ऐसा expect नहीं किया था मैंने कि कुछ feedback मिलेगा, but people like the way we contribute our own thoughts and jokes to the game, and that's what makes it interesting. So yeah, that is how we started streaming. How did your parents react to this by hearing that you're actually gonna be doing this professionally? At first, my parents thought that I was wasting my time sitting on a computer straight for 4 and 5 hours doing nothing and just playing games. But then they saw my dedication and the amount of hard work that I was putting into streaming, and also my academic performance was good. उन्होंने बोला था बेटा मार्क्स लाने हैं तो तेरे को ये करने देंगे. हमने बोला ठीक है चलो मार्क्स ला के दे दिए मम्मी पापा को. सो उन्होंने अलाउ किया. फिर धीरे धीरे मेरे स्टेटिस्टिक राइज अप होने लगे एंड आई गेट रिकग्निशन अमंगस्ट द टॉप स्ट्रीमर्स ऑफ इंडिया. And yes, the amount of love that my subscribers and my viewers have shown to me is impeccable, and that is one of the reasons now my parents are supportive and respectful towards my career as a streamer. How has it changed you or evolved you as a person, or has it? Since the past 3 months, I've been really clear about my goals, my thoughts and my behavior, and I always put a lot of emphasis towards learning and improving day by day. So I have structured my social media also in such a way that whenever I think I'm just chilling myself or just doing nothing, scrolling social media, I'm actually learning at every given point of the time by the type of content that I am consuming. So yeah, that's it. And the biggest change that I think I have received in my mentality is that I've learned good things don't come to those who wait, but good things come to those who take actions. Talk about your style of gaming now. What kind of a gamer are you? So I am a casual gamer who likes to play for fun, and I don't care if I win. I love interacting with my audience more than I love gaming. So yeah, I often say that watch me for the kind of person I am and do not watch me for the game that I'm playing. So games act like wallpapers on my stream so that my viewers don't get bored. That's it. Well, how do you manage your college and streaming together? Does it take a toll on your mind? How do you cope up with this? Has your college played any part in helping you cope up with that? I don't think it's difficult for me because I have my priorities set right. Abhi I know what I want to learn and I know what I want to do in my life. So the mass communication course that I'm studying right now, it literally means that the skill of communicating with a mass of audience, मतलब ज़्यादा audience के साथ तुम लोग को communicate करना है, which is what I do every day. So I think it's the right thing for me, and मेरे को नहीं लगता ये मेरे ऊपर कोई extra burden डाल रहा है. But हाँ, I can say that being in Karnavati University is actually हेल्पफुल फॉर मी, बिकॉज इससे पहले मेरे पास कोई नेटवर्क नहीं था. ये जो स्पेसिफिक नॉलेज मैं ढूंढ रहा था मेरे पास वो नॉलेज नहीं थी, रिसोर्सेज नहीं थे. सो वट एवर आई स्टडी सब्जेक्ट्स लाइक कम्युनिकेशन, आई स्टडी सब्जेक्ट्स लाइक साइकोलॉजी, जिससे आई गेट बेटर एट इंटरैक्शन एंड आई गेट क्लोजर टू माई ड्रीम्स. इन शॉर्ट मतलब जो भी मैं सीखता हूँ ना कॉलेज पे सुबह में, वो मैं रात को अपने स्ट्रीम्स में इम्प्लीमेंट करता हूँ. एंड दैट्स हाउ आई डू इट. I don't think it's a big deal for me. In today's times where almost a third person you meet who plays games is a streamer, what makes you different than them? How do you make sure to stay in the game in such a competitive environment? About surviving in the competition, I think that games come and go out of trend. But what does not go out of trend is human interaction. That is the main reason that I believe in growing my audience around my personality. And I focus primarily on the quality that I deliver, and I make sure that I improve that quality day by day. And then I grind to deliver that quality consistently so that I can give out the value either in terms of entertainment, either in terms of learning to my audience, because they have been investing time in me and I cannot just neglect that fact. That's how I think I'm different from others. How can one aim to get into this field? Any advice for rookies? You won't simply improve unless you start. You need to start in order to improve. Experience के साथ तुम्हें सब समझ आ जाएगा. किसी को जल्दी आएगा, किसी को लेट आएगा, बट ट्रस्ट मी, जो नॉलेज जो लर्निंग तुम्हें तुम्हारे एक्सपीरियंस से मिलेगी, इट इज़ वे मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट देन एनीथिंग दैट यू रीड एनीवेयर. एंड ऑल्सो आई वुड सजेस्ट यू टू नेवर लूज होप, बिकॉज मेरे साथ कई बार हुआ है कि आई एम अबाउट ऑन द वर्ज ऑफ गिविंग अप, but I do not give up and I believe in myself and I continue my work, and उसी time पे miracles have happened to me. So trust me, always stay positive and believe in yourself and start grinding.